today we are going to be looking at BLE, which we have looked at on several occasions, saying that BLE, the sound is what? Ble, because B, the consonant sound of B is B, and L is L, and E sound E. So if you blend the three sounds together, it becomes Ble. But in today's class, it's not going to be sounding Ble, because when BLE appears at the start of a word, it has a different sound. And when it appears at the end of a word, it also has a different sound. So in today's class, we are going to be looking at the sounds of BLE at the end of a word. And when BLE appears at the end of a word, it does not sound Ble, it sounds bold. Again, bold. So whenever you are spelling as a beginner and you hear bold at the end of an English word, this is the right spelling. Don't write this B-O, no. The sound is bold, but the right spelling that you are going to be using is BLE. So in a nutshell, we are saying that when BLE starts a word, it sounds Ble, which is the consonant and vowels blending. But when BLE appears at the end of a word, the sound is what? Bold. So when you have this knowledge of spelling, it becomes very easy for you to spell, and it becomes very easy for you to understand. So as a beginner, this is one spelling tip that you need to know when spelling, that whenever BLE appears at the beginning of a word, it sounds Ble, Ble. And when BLE appears at the end of a word, it sounds bold. So in today's class, we are going to be taking the sound of BLE at the end of a word, which is what? Bold. So whenever you see BLE at the end of a word, pronounce it as what? Bold. So if this is bold, we are going to be taking spelling under it in order for us to get familiar with it. So let's look at some examples of BLE taking the sound, which is what? Bold. Number one, we have E, D, then bold. E, D, bold. This is no longer Ble because it's coming at the end of a word. When BLE appears at the end of a word, the sound is what? Bold. So we are taking these three letters to be this sound now, which is bold. So this is E, D, bold. So if you bring it together, you are going to be having what? Edible. 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 Also, you have number two. We have, this is A, but if it is in an open syllable, it takes what? A sound. So when it is in an open syllable, the sound is A from our previous class. So this is A. Then we have Bo. A, Bo. So if you bring it together, you have what? A, then Bo. Able. Able. The reason why it is not sounding higher is because it is in an open syllable. And whenever a letter is in an open syllable, we usually say it takes the long vowel sound or the name of the letter. And that is why this is what? Able. Edible. Able. Next we have sen. Sen. Si. Then bold. Sen, si, bold. You have sen, si, bold. Sensible. Next, we have no, te, bold. No, te, bold. When you bring it together, you have what? No, te, then bold. Notable. No, te, bold. Notable. 5, we have N-O, which is no. Then we have what? Bold. No, bold. We have what? No, bold. Noble. No, bold. Noble. Next we have then bo, amicable. When you bring it together, you have what? Amicable. 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 7. Credible. 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 8. We have in. Credible. Incredible. 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 Next we have app. Then bo. Applicable becomes what? Applicable. Applicable. Then bo. Capable becomes what? Then bo. Capable. Next one you have palatable. Palatable. You have what? Palatable. 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 So this is how you also learn how to spell. When you understand the secret behind spelling, that letters does changes whenever they appear in different locations. So BLE, the usual sound under consonant and vowels blending, or when it appears at the beginning of a word or at the middle of a word, is ble. But when it comes at the end of a word, it does not sound ble anymore. So some persons, when seeing this word for the first time, may sound confusing to them, in the sense that BLE under consonant blending is ble. Now, using that procedure, you can actually say edible becomes edible, but it will be wrong, because when BLE starts a word, is different from when it ends a word. The sound are quite different. So the sound of BLE at the end of a word is bo. Bo. So when you know immediately you see this is edible. Edible. That is the secret behind. So when you have this knowledge of spelling, or when you have this tip concerning spelling, it becomes very simple for you to spell and learn how to read fast. And that is why I'm bringing this spelling tips to your notice, that BLE at the start of a word sounds differently from when it comes at the end of a word. So this is what? Edible. Edible. Able. Able. Sensible. Sensible. Notable. Notable. Noble. Noble. Amicable. Amicable. Credible. Credible. Incredible. Incredible. Applicable. Applicable. Capable. Capable. Palatable. Palatable. Spelling is actually very simple when you get the memo or the tips concerning it. It's only when you don't understand or when you have not been enlightened about spelling that you think that spelling is actually hard. Spelling is very simple. Knowing this tip that I'm revealing now will make spelling very easy for each and every one of us. So as a beginner, it is important for you to get familiar with sounds of letter. That letter may be the same, but they sound differently whenever they appear in different positions, and that is why I'm bringing this to your notice. So we are still going to be continuing knowing the sound of this BLE, which is bo, at the end of a word. Also, let's continue and see what we got here. Now we have GA is ga. If I add M is what? Gam. Then if I add this, which is bo, ga, gam, bo. If you bring it together, you have what? Gam, then bo, gambo. Next one, you have tre. If I add M is what? Trem, trem. Then you add your bo, becomes what? Trem, bo. Bring it together, you have what? Trem, then bo, tremble. Next one, you have BI is B or ba. Then we have bo. It's sounding ba here because it is in an open syllable. Ba, bo. When you bring it together, you have what? Bi, then bo. Bible. 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 Next, you have le, ji, bo. Le, ji, bo. Becomes what? Le, ji, then bo. Legible. 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 Next, we have respon, si, then bo. Responsible. When you bring it together, you have what? Responsible. 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 Next, you have COM is come, for, te, then bo. Comfortable. 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 Next, you will have adjustable. Adjustable. Becomes what? Adjustable. 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 Next, we'll have MAR is ma. Then we have bo. Ma, bo. Then when you bring it together, you have what? Ma, then bo. Marble. 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 Next, we have presentable. Then bo. Presentable. When you bring it together, you have what? Presentable. 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 Next, we have HU is ham. If I add M is hum. Then we have what? Bow. Humble. Then bow. Humble. Also, we have crumb. Crumb. Then bow. you have what? Crumble. When you bring it together, you have what? Crumble. 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 Next we'll have P-O-R is po. Then T, we have what? Bo. Portable. 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 Next one we have T-U is to. If I add M is tom, then we have what? Bo. Becomes what? Tumble. 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 So this is how you learn how to spell using the BLE sound, that whenever you are spelling and you hear bowl at the end of an English word, use BLE. And when you use this BLE, your spelling becomes correct, not BO. Is that clear? BO is not the right word to you whenever you are spelling and you hear bowl sound at the end of an English word. So whenever you hear bowl at the end of a word, use BLE majorly. Is that understood? BLE sounds bold. Bold. So this is one of the spelling tips I want to bring to your knowledge today, that whenever BLE comes at the end of a word, the sound is bold. Bold. And when you know this, it becomes very simple for you to actually spell. And that is why we have this word gambo, gambo, tremble, tremble, Bible, Bible, legible, legible, responsible, responsible, comfortable, comfortable, adjustable, adjustable, marble, marble, presentable, presentable, humble, humble, crumble, crumble, portable, portable, tumble, tumble. So as a beginner, you have to get yourself familiar with sounds of letter, and by so doing, spelling becomes very simple for you. So do what to make sure you practice the sounds of letter and practice spelling. That is the only way you master spelling. In as much as you are learning this, to put it into practice by making use of it. So by so doing, you become familiar with spelling, and when you are reading, you come across it in a word. In as much as you've known the sound, that whenever BLE comes at the end of a word, the sound is bo, it becomes very actually simple for you to actually read comfortably. So it is important for you to actually pay attention to sounds of letter when spelling. Is that understood? So this is what I want to bring to your notice today on spelling, that whenever you see BLE at the end of a word, the sound is what? Bold. And when you understand this, spelling becomes very simple for you. And if today is your first time coming across my video, please do what to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop the next video. My class is basically on how to read and write. And if you are having difficulties with spelling, this is the right place to be. And if you know anyone that is actually having difficulties and they actually wants to learn how to read and write, do what to share this video to them so that they can also join the class and benefit what you are benefiting also. Do what to give this video a thumb up. It is necessary. And I hope to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.